YouTube channel. Slim Reshae here, aka Jasmine, and I'm back to you with another video. So today I'm excited to announce that I've partnered with Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils to bring you this updated wash and go video. So if you guys are interested in how I created this bomb wash and go, please keep on watching. Today we're starting with freshly washed hair, and this is what my curls look like in desperate need of some TLC. So I'm going in with the Fix My Hair Intensive Conditioning Hair Mask, and this product is bomb.com. Not only is it a really good conditioner, but it also helps you when detangling your curls. So you see me lathering that through my hair and finger detangling, and I'm not being light-handed on this product because it feels so good on my curls. You want to go ahead and do this throughout your entire head, and I just kept the same part in my hair from when I had my previous wash and go. So you just want to keep doing this, and this is how your hair should look at the end. So then you just want to put your shower cap on your head so you can seal in all of that moisture for about 20 to 30 minutes. So I went ahead and ate dinner, and then here we are 30 minutes later, and my curls are nice and juicy. They feel refreshed and they just look really good. And so after this, you want to go ahead and rinse it out, which I did off camera, and then I'm using this QUENCH leave-in conditioner, and I'm just using this to detangle my hair and using it as my leave-in for the wash and go. And this leave-in conditioner is also bomb.com. It has a lot of slip, and then we're sealing it in with the Don't Shrink curling gel. Now this gel has been by far my favorite for wash and goes, and if I want a perfect wash and go, I'll use this gel in the leave-in conditioner because it works so good together. So as you see here, I'm just like finger detangling my hair, and you can just see the waves, the curls, they are coming in strong, and like my hair just looks super defined. So before I go to diffuse my hair, I'm just laying my edges with a little bit of that excess gel. Alright guys, so if you're doing your hair in the morning, you can definitely let your hair air dry. You will get more defined results. So if you do your hair at night like I usually do, you'll want to use a diffuser to dry your hair, just so you don't go to bed with your hair wet. It's completely up to you. For most defined results, you'll want to let it air dry, but for volume and frizz, you can use a diffuser. Alright y'all, so this is the finished look. Don't forget, all the products I used in this video today are available at your local Walmart, and they're listed in the description box below. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I just diffused my hair, so this is fresh day one hair. And it looks so good. Like I said, this has been the wash and go routine that I've been doing recently, and literally it turns out good every time. And I definitely think it's from the Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. This gel is really good for wash and go, so make sure you try it out. Also, the QUENCH leave-in conditioner is really hydrating. It makes your hair easy to detangle, so I definitely recommend you trying your wash and go with these two products. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a huge thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you to the full. Bye guys.